who was the first European to sail around the Cape of Good Hope in 1488? Right answer is option D, Bartholomew Diaz. So friends, Bartholomew Diaz was the first European who sailed around the Cape of Good Hope in 1488. And friends, if we understand in detail, Portuguese traveler Bartholomew Diaz discovered the Cape of Good Hope in Africa in 1488. He named it the Cape of Storms, but the Portuguese ruler John II changed its name to Cape of Good Hope. Who is known as the father of internet? Right answer is option C, windsurf. So friends, if we understand in detail, windsurf along with Robert E. Kahn is known as the father of internet. He was awarded the US National Medal of Technology in 1997. Cloves are obtained from which of the following parts of the plant? Right answer is option C, dried flower buds. So friends, clove is obtained from the dry flower bud part of the plant. And friends, if we understand in detail, cloves are obtained from dried flower buds. The origin of cloves is from Indonesia. Cloves are now harvested primarily in Indonesia, Madagascar, Zanzibar, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. They are also grown in India under the name Lawang. Peeling of onions causes tears as onion releases. Right answer is option D, sulfanic acid. Friends, onions produce the chemical irritant known as synpropanethyl oxide. It stimulates the eyes, lacrimal glands, so they release tears. How many heart chambers are there in a fish? Right answer is option B, 2 chambers. Who led the campaign to achieve suppression of thugs? Right answer is option B, Sir William Sleeman. Friends, if we understand in detail, William Bentinck was the Governor General of India that suppressed thugs. The campaign to suppress thugs was done with the help of Colonel Sir William Sleeman. For his role in suppression of thugs, Colonel Sleeman was called Thuggy Sleeman. The campaign to suppress thugs started in 1830 and completed in 5 years. Why did Muhammad bin Tughlaq make coins of brass and copper? Right answer is option D, in short supply of gold and silver. Who among the following was responsible for the destruction of the famous Somnath temple on the Gujarat coast? Right answer is option B, Mahmud Ghazni. So friends, among these, Mahmud Ghazni was the one who destroyed the Somnath temple of Gujarat. Narsimhan Committee was related to which of following reforms? Right answer is option A, banking structure reforms. Friends, Narsimhan Committee is related to banking structure reforms. The Narsimhan Committee was established under former RBI Governor M. Narsimhan in August 1991 to look into all aspects of the financial system in India. The first chairman of Disinvestment Commission was blank. Right answer is option C, G.V. Ramakrishna. Friends, in 1996, the Government of India established a Disinvestment Commission under the Ministry of Industry with G.V. Ramakrishna as its chairman. The term was further extended till 30 November 1999. The Commission submitted reports on 58 PSE. This Disinvestment Commission ceased to exist in May 2004. What is the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha fixed? Right answer is option D, 250. So friends, if we understand in detail, Article 80 of the Constitution lays down the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha as 250. Out of 250 seats of Rajya Sabha, 12 members are nominated by the President and 230 are representatives of the states and of the 2 union territories. The present strength of Rajya Sabha is 245. Which schedule contains provisions relating to the emoluments, allowances and privileges as to the President and governors of states? Right answer is option C, second schedule. The blood vessels that carry blood from the heart to the various parts of the body are called blank. Right answer is option B, arteries. Amir Khusro was a famous poet in the court of. Right answer is option A, Alauddin Khilji. Friends, Amir Khusro was a prolific classical poet associated with the royal courts of emperors. He was a Sufi musician, poet and scholar from India around the 13th century. He is also called father of Qawwali and is credited with the creation of Qawwali form. He became a disciple of Sufi saint Nizamuddin Auliya. Where was Kabir's mausoleum built after his death? Right answer is option A, Maghar. Friends, Kabir Das was born in Varanasi and died in Maghar, Uttar Pradesh. Kabir Das' perspective is important for both Hinduism and Islam. He was greatly influenced by his teacher Ramanand. Kabir's main works were Sakhi, Sabad, Ramayani. Every year, International Youth Day is observed on which day? Right answer is option C, 12 August. The Rath Yatra at Puri is celebrated in honor of which Hindu deity? Right answer is option D, Jagannath. Friends, if we understand in detail, Rath Yatra is a Hindu festival that is celebrated at the famous Jagannath temple every year in Puri, Odisha. It is dedicated to Lord Jagannath, means Lord Krishna, his sister goddess Subhadra and his elder brother Lord Balbhadra or Balram. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is related to blank. Right answer is option A, financial service. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is related to financial service. It was launched by Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi on 28 August 2014. In which year Kisan Credit Card scheme was introduced? Right answer is option A, 1998. Who among the following was awarded Saraswati Samman for the year 2018? Right answer is option B, K. Siva Reddy. Friends, prestigious Saraswati Samman 2018 was conferred to Telugu poet K. Siva Reddy for his collection of poems titled Pakka Ki Oti Gilite. And friends, Saraswati Samman is given to an outstanding literary work published in the languages included in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. This award was established in 1991. The first Saraswati Samman was given to Hindi literature Dr. Harivansh Rai Bachchan. This honor was given by K. Birla Foundation.